As the net landed in water, a massive creature surged upwards. It snapped out from the boat, hand first. There were people at the river. Most of them saw the strike. They saw its protruding teeth. The teeth were as long as the legs of their kitchen stools. They saw its head. It was half as long as Ode's now sinking boat. They saw the crocodile. It swung here and there. It did this, as it plunged Ode into its throat. Unafraid, it floated. The shocked villagers screamed. Its ears were shut to their cry. It did not seem to hear or care. Its body was tough, yet flexible and free. It was as long as 3 huts piled on top of each other. Somebody ran into the village calling for help. He ran fast. Faster than anyone else. He called the crocodile, Gbudu. That was how the crocodile came to be known by that name. No one could save Ode. Not even the hunters. They only stared at the water stained with his blood. After Ode, many more followed. These were fishermen who refused to quit their occupation. They claimed it was a job passed down to them by their ancestors. They would not leave the river for a crocodile. There were hunters too. These were renowned for killing leopards and lions. They brought back antelope meat for their wives' kitchens. These people double-dared the crocodile. They did this with their metal prongs and poisoned spears. They rowed on canoes and fired from the riverbank. Though they tried hard, they still ended in the crocodile's belly. Medicine men tried their best too. They were called herbalists. They offered sacrifices. They appeased long-known gods. The most recent who tried was Iduh. He was held in high esteem. The people believed that he possessed the power to fly. They rumored that he could suddenly appear or disappear. No evil was said about him, not even in secret. You dare not say something evil about some other person too. He could be around to hear. And of course, he would report it. Iduh was highly revered. The walls have ears was the most used sentence of caution in Ogwul, and that was because of Iduh.